Hey guys, David here, Burlyman 40. Welcome to Loveland, Ohio. The first stop on the Pipes and Sounds of My Hometown YouTube video series. I'm smoking my gorgeous Philip Rivara pipe. My latest of 4 Phil Rivara pipes, filled with Firehouse from Strauss Tobacconist. Well guys, I'm bringing you to a little place here in my hometown of Loveland, Ohio. That is a very busy, happening place here in the city of Loveland. It is the Loveland Bike Trail and is quite a draw for people from all over, not just in Loveland. Very nice paved bike path, stretches for miles in either direction. And it runs through Loveland in downtown historic Loveland. The bike path itself is not necessarily what I'm going to show you, but I'm going to show you a little corner at the bike trail that has one of my favorite attractions here at the bike trail. It's a bit windy today, so I'm hiding beside these buildings to keep the wind noise down, but there's some traffic and I apologize for the extra noise. But I'm about to show you my favorite little spot here at the bike trail and let you guys get a glimpse of why I love it so much. So hang on just a minute. Alright folks, well here I am. I will show you the bike trail itself. Running in either direction. Back that way. Here in Loveland, Ohio. There are only 2 Lovelands in the United States. One is, of course, here in Ohio. And the other one, you might be interested to know, is in Colorado, very close to Tewksbury and Company, from what I understand. Home of Hobbit's Weed. But I'm about to show you my favorite place here at the Loveland Bike Trail. It is a little bit more low-key from the path itself, where the bikers and runners like to enjoy. It is this little beauty right here. Actually, it is one of 3 benches that I have been coming to for over 2 years now, enjoying my pipe. That's a great way to sit and enjoy the outdoors, people watch, and share the joy of the aroma. I've met other pipe smokers as a result of being out here, which has really been nice. And this is just a nice, wonderful place to hang out. Watch the cars go by, the bikers, the runners. Enjoy the pace of downtown historic Cincinnati. Historic Loveland, Ohio. And just generally enjoy a pipe. So guys, thanks for coming along to see the first stop on the tour. I hope to show you guys some more places here very soon, and hope to see your guys' response as well, showing us the pipes and sounds of your hometown. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and put that in your pipe and smoke it. God bless.